Good kid, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to see 150 kinds of flowers. Whether they're popular or not, you will be fascinated by their wonder and beauty. Fasten your seatbelt, please. Are you ready? Let's go.
Rose. Rose bush. Carnation. Tulip. Star tulip. Cosmos. Sunflower. Daffodil. Lily. Peace lily. Calla lily. Anthurium, flamingo lily. Tiger lily. Lily of the valley. Amaryllis. Iris flower. Gladiolus. Snapdragon. Delphinium. Freesia. Hyacinth. Grape hyacinth. Bird of paradise. Heliconia lobster claws. Canna indica. Orchid. Vanda orchid. Gold tiger orchid. Phalaenopsis orchid. Dendrobium orchid. Oncidium goldiana orchid. Lady's slipper. Chain of love. Oleander flower. Aquilegia. Daisy. Aster. Marigold. Pot marigold. Coneflower. Chrysanthemum. Silver ragwort. Dahlias. Petunia. Primrose primula. Pansy. Geranium. Jungle geranium. Spider flower. Hydrangea. Lantana. Hollyhock. Burgundy peony. Portulaca, moss rose. Salvia flower. Balsam, touch me not. Morning glory. Mile-a-minute vine. Sky blue cluster vine. Wishbone flower. Pasque flower. Violet. Clover. Dandelion. Thistle. Forget-me-not. Lupine flower. Lavender. Sage flower. Dill flower. Thyme flower. Canola flower. Brassica napus. Garlic. Allium ornamental onion. Chive flower. Poppy. Poppy anemone. Saffron crocus, Crocus sativus. Balloon flower. Lotus. Water lily. Digitalis flower. Spotted bellflower. Milkweed. Snowdrop. Honeysuckle. Treasure flower, Gazania. Pitcher plant. Blue moon phlox flower. Common commas. Persian buttercup. Cornflower. Maltese crossflower. Angelonia flower. Sweet alyssum. Spirea. Elephant ears. Herb Robert. Banks grevillea. Wild angelica. Sun hemp flower. Pink-headed knotweed. Hemlock. Spotted dead nettle. Christmas cactus. Prickly pear cactus. Lobevia cactus. Gymnocalycium cactus. Astrophytum cactus. Mammillaria cactus. Echinopsis cactus. Lavender scallops. Azalea. Forsythia. Quince blossom. Jasmine. West Indian jasmine. Hibiscus. Paperflower. Bottlebrush. Ivy flower. Trumpet flower. Clematis. Barberry flower. Common buttonbush. Beech cordia. Mimosa. Crown of thorns. Crown flower. Adenium, desert rose. Plumeria. Yellow elder, trumpet bush. Brownia macrophylla. Pride of Burma. Bleeding heart. Butterfly bush. Cherry blossom. Apple blossom. Pear blossom. Apricot blossom. Plum blossom. Peach blossom. Almond blossom. Chestnut blossom. Hawthorn blossom. Judas blossom. Flame tree blossom, Royal Poinciana. Magnolia blossom. Acacia blossom. Dogwood blossom. Jacaranda.
Wow, good kid, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen all of the 150 kinds of flowers. You did a really fantastic job. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again soon.